Let's take a look at the mentions feature in Rundown Studio and how you might use that to tag people, positions, places, or anything else, all within your rundown. So here I am within my rundown, and to access the mentions list, I can click on any cell and use the @ symbol on the keyboard. And this shows up the mentions list, and these are all the mentions I've added previously, a bunch of crew members in this case. I can manage and edit these or add some more by clicking on Manage @ Mentions. And add another one for myself here, John Barker, and I'm going to be running the video playback for this one, so I'll type in video playback. I can click add, and it gets added to the list of mentions. I can also choose a specific color for myself. I like the look of this one. Perfect. Now whenever I close this, you can see that my name has been added to the mentions list, and I can click on that name and it shows up inside of here. I can also hover over it and it shows my position. And this is showing whatever I typed in to that description a minute ago. From here, I can edit this mention and add some more details. So I'll just head to Rundown, Mentions, scroll down, and you can see that one I created previously. But what I want to do is add a picture inside of the mention. So I'll just grab this little picture of myself here, drop it in, and you can see that shows up. I could add that for the whole crew members, and I could give an image for each of them, just in case we want to know who they are. Click outside of that and you can see it saves. And when I close it and hover over the mention, my picture shows up. Now this is really handy for adding crew member photos, hosts and onstage talent, as well as just about anything else you could think of. Evacuation plans, camera positions and pre-res images of those camera positions. I'm sure you can think of many ways to use this mention feature. What's also useful about mentions is that guests can see them too. So if I head into my invite guest, copy this link, and I open it in an incognito window, whenever a guest accesses a rundown, they can hover over John and see that he is running video playback, and they can see an image as well. Really handy for them to see the details that you want them to see. Mentions is a part of our external API as well, so you can jump in and grab a list of all of your mentions. You can add, remove, update mentions specifically based on that API, and there's full documentation to that in the video description below and on our docs page. One of the other really nice things about mentions is they can be updated in real time, and it syncs across all viewers of the rundown. So for example, the studio host will be Emma Thompson today, but in the last minute, Emma can't make it. We can head into mentions, scroll down to Emma Thompson, and change that to Sarah Wilson. And whenever I save and close out of this, you'll see the studio host will now be Sarah Wilson, and all viewers of the rundown will see that new information right away. This is really handy whenever the show changes last minute, which it tends to do, and you can get all that new data to all the viewers immediately. So that's a look at mentions in Rundown Studio. We'd love to know how you use it on your future shows. So do let us know wherever you can. Jump into the comments below. Let us know on Instagram, LinkedIn, and all those good places how you use mentions on your productions. Thanks.